Okay, guys, I'll be starting now. Just wanna share the stream. Wanna share the stream, and we get to go. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah. I'll just duplicate this script, and I am going to do make a timer, and I'll do in what I do in in, and then I'll do out. Okay, and then I'll go to my fire and do out, and that's it. And now we can have a occurring timer. Okay, cool. So I've been able to make the timer work, and I'll keep this just for fun later because I need that later. And now, so we have a timer, and that timer, it's actually it's a timer which gives you the fire rate. So now our attacker can fire very fast. So we want to be able to do that in real time. If you should watch the real Plant vs Zombie game, they okay. So there's actually some games like this. There's the normal one. I want to show you guys something. Plant vs Zombie. How does this have to do with with Godzilla? Okay. Okay. Um, I want to show you guys a sneak peek of one of my games coming out very soon. I'll just show you pictures. I'm using a different engine for this, so I won't. So that's why I won't go in depth. But if I go to main menu, yeah, main menu. What do you see? Actually, let me disable this. Level selection. Yeah, this is coming out very soon. Watch out. Okay, so Plant vs Zombie. I wanna watch one. Yeah, so we have this one. Fusing. Fusing. Come on, I have to wait for this ads. I don't know why I'm not using an ad blocker. I should be using one. But yeah. Okay, so when we finish this, come on. Okay. If you look at the fusing, you would, okay, you put them down, okay. You put them down, okay. You pull them down. Are you guys seeing that? Okay. So when you put them on themselves, they fuse. Hmm. So if you put an attacker on another attacker, it should kind of upgrade. And we can actually do that though. Um, it is very, very doable. I just need to break down the mechanics. So we need to detect the touch and okay. So when we do it, we want to call this script. So I would actually make a script in this attacker. I would remove this modifier script. It didn't work, so yeah. I'll go to my game manager and remove this as well. Don't need that. I would go to. So there's a script I have on my tiles, and in this script, actually, I have something that I call. So I will use this as a guide. So I'll go to my fire scripts and have a function here that actually that function will increase the fire rate. So I'll do a function and I'll do increase fire rate, and I am going to put in a value. Yep, and then decrease actually. I mean, we are decreasing fire rate or increasing fire rate. We decrease it to make it faster. So I'll just do stronger, like stronger. Yeah, stronger. So when we are stronger, we want to do two things. We want to increase the health, and also we want to increase the fire rate. So in this health, we have an health node, and actually, I modified my enemy's health node, and I made my enemy derive their health from the game manager. That is the way I'm able to make the zombies stronger every round. So what I'm gonna do here is that I am going to increase the health, and at the same time, I'm going to increase increase the fire rate. So let me do one thing at a time to make it easy for myself, so I don't get things twisted. So firstly, we have a function called stronger, and we are going to do last fire rate, right? Fire rate minus value rate minus equals to value, and that would reduce the fire rate by that amount. So I would make this function I think this is how you make functions public. I don't really know how they call it, but yeah, you will do this and then you can call it from anywhere in the script. So in my touch manager that manages everything, that is the milk of the game. I do some detection, right? So when a platform is when it's platform, we can drop. So one thing I want to do is this. I want to go to the attacker. So does the attacker have a boss collider on it? Does he have? Oh, he does. Perfect. Okay. So what I can do is on my in the manager script, I can do if it is occupied. If it is occupied, so it checks if the style is not empty. Selected style dot check if not empty. Selected style check if not empty. Where it is? Why did I put this? Okay, let me remove this. Okay, so check if empty. It's a function here called check if empty. Where is it function? Am I daydreaming here? There's a function here that says check if empty. How to set a style. Okay, set a style is null. Set that equals to the tile which we touch, and if it's not empty, then we can spawn it. But how do I do this? How did I do it? This is strange. So here, I just checking if it's occupied or not. Oh, check if empty. This is it. Oh my god, I didn't say it. I'm so blind. Okay, so if right. So actually, what I would do if I want to do it in that way is that if it's a tile, this is checking platforms, right? So if not empty, welcome to the stream, guys. Okay, so what I actually want to do here is, let me start it very simple. So let me increase the fire rate in runtime. All I have to do is just go here and duplicate this. You need to be able to do a lot of duplications when you're making scripting, because it makes life easy. So let's do upgrade. So upgrade, we will do stronger, and we will do minus. Let's do minus 5 actually. Let's do 5. Yeah, let's do 5. No, 5 will be too much. Let's do 1. Okay, let's do 1 and leave it that way. Let me make it 0.5, and let's make it 1. Let's make it 2. Yeah, let's make it 2. So every time we click that upgrade, it would reduce it by 0.5. And let me try out. So if you should go to, let's say, purple one, then we do upgrade. So if I do a button and if I press button, no, not screen. If I press keyboard button and let's say I press U, then it upgrades. Okay, let's save that. So if I put the attackers down, they would fire every 2 seconds. If I press U, their fire rate is gonna increase. Yeah, and then it gets too much. But yeah, that is a proof that it works. It works in game. So the fire rate works in game. But the issue is that when you reduce it too much, then it just goes crazy. So I think 0.5 will. So what I would do is that I would set it to a value instead of actually reducing it. So the normal fire rate of the attacker would be like let's say 1 second. Let's see how 1 second would be if you want to play the game like that. Let's see how it looks with 1 second. So we have the producers. They are producing stuff for us. We get the producers, and now we can do some attackers. I need to be fast here. I need more stuff. Okay, I need to put some bombs because these guys are getting too much here, and put one attacker here. Okay, and what else can I do? I need to put attackers in this side because we're getting bombarded there. Okay, another attacker. another one, please. Okay, attacker. So I think this fire rate is very strong because we are just killing the zombies easily using this fire rate. So I am going to make this to be the upgraded one. Like we are just killing everything. It's just crazy. So I think point two is too much. Point one fire rate is too much. So I'll make it two. Okay, two. So when it is stronger, the fire rate will be one. So I'll do equals to here. I'll do equals to equals to. So if you have a look at the game now, right? If you play it, we will start with a fire rate of 2. If I press F, then the torrents will get stronger. So let's have a look here. So now I need more resources. Let me increase the stuff actually. Okay. So put in the producers. And then we are waiting for resources. We're waiting for the resources. Come on. Okay. We are getting them now. So we drop in the attackers. The zombies are coming in hot. I'll put some more producers because I can. I'm a pro. Put a little bombs to kill the zombies. I think I might be in trouble now because okay, a lot of bombs. Put in more attackers. Attacker. More attackers, players, and then more stuff. Okay, attacker and attacker. Uh-oh. I can put in a wall as well. I need a wall. ASAP. Okay, put a wall down here. And the game will get very hard now. Once we get to a certain point, the zombies health is going to increase. And I even think 2 seconds is actually too much as well. If you see the zombies are dying too quickly. So I think 2 seconds is also a bit too high. So 2 seconds is too high. I could increase the speed of the bullets because the bullets should be traveling in a faster speed. So if I should increase the speed of the bullet, and let's say by 2, and I can increase the fire rate. Let's increase the fire rate to like let's say 3 actually. Okay. So now we have a fast bullet and it will shoot at 3. But this doesn't look like 3. It looks like the fire rate is reducing sort of. I think the code is not working properly. That's what I think. Maybe not. But it looks like the fire rate is kind of increasing. Let's make it 10. No, 5. Let's see what happens. So we shoot. Okay. So the fire rate is actually not still doing. Maybe if I should remove this. If I make this 10, what happens? So I think I am supposed to divide dt by something. Let me check something here. So if I should open this one, there's something that they did in this place that I really like. in the update, in the update, 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 update. Not here, not here. Yeah, so here, there's something they did here. When they divide dt by, I don't know what happens, but yeah. When they divide dt by this, something happens. I don't know, but let's see. Take this 20. What happens? The mass fire equals to fire rate. And fire rate is equals to fire rate. So why? So 20. Yeah, it's definitely not doing it. So if I should do 20 here and I do, yeah, if I put 20 there instead of putting the fire rate, does that work? Okay, so it looks like there's something wrong. It's not getting the fire rate after shooting. So we get 5 seconds, shoot again, okay, 5 seconds, shoot again, okay. So the issue is somewhere here. Fire rate equals fire rate. Fire rate equals fire rate. Then the fire rate. So what I would do is before it actually, I want it to log the fire rate. Okay. So now we can know the fire rate. Attacker. So the fire rate is 1. It's logged in 1. Why is the fire rate 1? Let me comment out this. And why is the fire rate 1? I don't know why it's 1. If you make the fire rate 3, it's gonna work properly. 1, 2, 3. If I should make this, let's say 0.5, then to shoot very fast. Yeah. If I make it 0.1, then shoot super fast. Yeah. So it's working, but it's not. So what can be wrong? This attribute. Wait. Am I doing the right thing? If I go to time and node, and I go to, let's say, time. Yeah, it's this attribute. This attribute. Yep. And this attribute, fire rate. And fire rate is here. And fire rate is equals to fire rate. And yeah. Let me tell it to log the fire rate. Yeah. Because why is the fire rate 1? I don't know why the fire rate is 1. I don't know why. 21. Why is this is the only log I have? Why is it finding a different log? This is strange. Like, let me disable this. Okay, so that one is separate. That one comes from somewhere else. I don't even know where that one is. I have a lot of logs. I don't know where that one is coming from. Let me do log. Do I have any log? I don't have any log here. My tiles, do I have any log? Let me see here. Control F, log. There's no log here. Then where do I have a log? I don't want any log. Okay, wherever. So if I should do this again, then we have 20. Okay, but it is so when I should tell it to log the fire rate after I shoot. After I shoot. Then it becomes a little bit. So it's not logging the fire rate. Okay. So I think the issue is it set it in the start, and then it doesn't continue with it. But I don't know why. I just put it here as a default number, since it doesn't want to do that. But yeah, I mean, it will still set it to 1 anyway once we get stronger anyway. So we can figure out what the issue is about that one later. But for now, yeah, let's just keep it that way. So we have a fire rate of 3. It's 3. And if I press U, it will get faster. Is it U? Yeah, U. You should set the fire rate to. Oh no. It won't work that way because it's using a number here. So fire rate. I don't know why. This is so strange. Stranger Things. So we put 20 here, but it's not actually saying the 20. I don't know why. If I put 20 there, then it will wait for 20. It won't shoot until 20 seconds. This won't shoot until 20 seconds, yeah? 20 seconds, then the shoot one bullet. Yeah. So there is an issue. I don't really know why. It's not deriving the value. That is strange. And this is a number, 20. Fire rate. You put fire rate there, and it just doesn't work. I will do log fire rate, and we'll get absolutely nothing. Oh, so the fire rate is set to 1. Why is the fire rate set to 1? I don't have any idea why the fire rate is set to 1. That is ridiculous. If I do this, will it set it to 1? Yeah, that's really strange. That's really, really strange. So here, it will actually work. It's 3 now, and it's saying 3 because it is setting it from here. This is really weird. I don't really know why. Because it's getting it, but it's just sending it to 1. I don't know why it's saying it to 1. Last fire rate equals to fire rate. Fire rate is not 1. Fire rate is this. So I don't know why it should be like that.
I just Google.
That's it. Yeah, so I don't really know
Watch you guys.
why. Look at this is strange. Okay. Okay, so now we can change the values, but we have some issues here which I don't really get. So I'll just go to mesh them. Okay, so what I want to do now? I am trying to do something like this. So if you look at it, the speed they're actually like, look at that. The speed. Okay. This guy is streaming. Oh god. Come on. Okay. Oh wait, this is series or something. Yeah. I got a model that I want to use for it. Buildbox. Lava zombie. Okay. OBJ. Blender actually. Let me look at how this looks in Blender. Okay. So OBJ. Import OBJ. I need the location. So we have this plant. I am gonna rig the plant later. Right now, I don't know. I don't know how to rig properly. I can't remember. But yeah, this is a plant. This is a very nice plant. Let me put it in the game and see how it looks actually. So we have this plant here. Object. I would open it up and give it its texture. Oh, nice. And I can actually change the shooters to this to make him look cool. So I'm going to go to the shooter. Okay, so what I actually want to do is I want to open the attacker. Open this one, put them next to each other. Copy this and paste it here. and I would need to scale this down because it's still big. As you can see, it's still big. So I'll make it 0.5, I think. I think that would be too small, but yeah. 0.5. Okay, 0.5. We can see 0.5. I am going to make this visible. I'm going to click on the model, and I am going to. I should make it smaller, more smaller actually. 0.2, 2, 2. Yeah, that looks alright. I can go to enable this, and in here I can just tell it to. I can make this invisible. We can make this invisible 0. Yep. And this plant, I can move it a bit down. I think I should move it down by, let's say, -1. Yeah, that looks perfect. That looks perfect. So now I can remove this. When I play the game now, my attacker should be the plant. But the plant is facing the wrong direction. So I think if I go to the plant and I should rotate it, I think 90 degrees. I think that should do. Not sure, but we shall see. Yeah, that's it. And now I can shift out some stuff, as you can see. So let's change the highlights. So if I go to, if I open the blueprint 1 highlight, all I have to do is just go here and copy this model of the plant. Go to the blueprint highlight, drop it, and go to enable. And what I can do is set the color alpha to, let's say, 100. That is too much, so I'll go here actually and then make this 0. Okay, so I'll make this 150. I think 150 should be okay. 100 is too low. It's too low. Yeah, 150 is fine. So 150, and let's see how this looks. So we have the plant. 150 is still a bit too. 150 is still a bit too transparent. So I would probably make it like I'll probably make it like let's say. So I wanna, let's leave it at 1 actually during this time. Oh, 0.5, 1.5. Let's make it 0.5. No, 0 actually. Yeah, 0. 0.5. 0.5. 0.5 minus 0.5. Okay, yeah, that looks alright. And I can make it more visible. Oh no, I changed the wrong one. I shouldn't touch this one. Yeah, it's the blueprint one I'm supposed to change. Minus 0.5. And then I can go to the color and make it more visible, and let's say 200. Yeah, that looks more decent. And now we can drop it down here. We can drop it down any way we want. You can drop it down here. We can drop it here. We can drop it here. We don't have enough, so now they shoot. So what I was gonna do is do some animations, but I can't. Well, I mean, all I have to do is just add some bones. Add some bones to the plant. If I go to edit mode, I just need to add some bones to this part and make it movable. But yeah, I can't do that right now. I haven't got the facilities for that. Okay, so I think the bullets are going too fast. Let's make it 15. 15. So now we have the attackers and they shoot the bullet. Okay. So let's say we want to upgrade it. So when we upgrade it, what do we want them to become? Let's say. So if we want to upgrade it, so what should we want them to turn to? So what I can do is we could increase the size when we upgrade them. But firstly, let's implement the upgrading mechanics. So if that tile it's not is occupied, so let's say we put in another attacker here, it should kind of make it bigger. So what can we do about that? It can get destroyed. That's it. It gets destroyed. So what can I do about that? So I want the attacker to kind of like, when you put another one. Yeah, that's very doable. That's very doable. I am going to do, okay. So this looks for platforms. I want to create another array, which is called save this. I am gonna save this project as, let's say, Plant vs Zombie game, because I don't want to mess things up before I go ahead. So Plant vs Zombie game. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cast another array outside this one here. And I'm gonna cast another array. Right. I cast an array, and that array is gonna detect the object. So we need to do something here. We need to find which objects are we actually touching. So one thing I could do is compare the name. Okay. So what I can do here is have it at all. So I'll go to the script and make it at all. I'll make it all. I'll make it all ALL. And then it's just right though. Let me check the documentation. Let me check the documentation. Okay, entity UI, okay. Recast test, and we have all, and that is right. Yes. So all. So if the length is greater than blah blah blah, and if the item touched, okay, so we do it this way, okay, and then I need to do something here. So I am gonna do here, I am gonna do object. So object equals to yeah, this I'll make it upgrade array. actually. Upgrade ray. And change it to upgrade ray. Okay, so upgrade ray, and we have upgrade object. So if upgrade object in upgrade ray. So firstly, we wanted to call a function here, and that function will be stronger. And let's just do log. For now, let's do log stronger, log stronger, and let's do this. So I'm just going to disable this. We should get a log stronger whenever we call the upgrade, the stronger function. So I am going to go back to my script here, and okay, so we are casting another array, and in this way we are checking to upgrade the object. So if the upgrade item touched is not equal to, so we want to check if it's equal to 1 actually, because we want to touch one object at the same time. What can I do about that? Okay, we are getting the first object anyway. That's good. Hey, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Oh, thanks so much. Thanks. I'm happy that you are enjoying it. Thank you. Okay, so let's move further. Okay, so I hope you made out to make zombie warfare. Oh yeah. Warfare, garden warfare. Oh, I would check on that. I mean, this is just a first step. This is just learning. This is just learning the basic mechanics. And if I'm able to do this, then why not? I'm gonna push further. You know. Okay, so I'm checking the first object we are hitting, and okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna spawn anything. I'm gonna check if that object, if the selected object. So let upgrade objects touched equals to, yeah, the first one. That is the first object which we touched. And what I will do here is this. We don't really need to check the slot anymore. Okay, good. So the slots are not actually keeping the name of the items that they have with them. I should probably let them do it later, but for now, I'll just keep it that way. But the items are keeping they are keeping address of the slots which they are put in. Okay, that's cool. So what I'll do now is I am going to, okay, so if the object, if upgraded object dot name is the same as the okay, so the object in the asset, which is the asset, asset equals to, okay, so let assets equals to this, and I'll say if it's equals to asset name, then we want something to happen. And for now, I'll just do a log and do same. Okay, and then we want to destroy the objects. Yeah, why do we destroy the objects actually? We have to destroy the assets blueprint. When we touch, we spawn the asset blueprint, and okay. Why Where is the asset blueprint? It's somewhere here. I just need to find it. Where is the asset blueprint? The asset blueprint is destroyed. So where it is? Oh, remove. Yeah, remove. Okay. Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. So it's removed anyway. It's removed either way. That's good. I was getting a bit confused there, but yeah, that's it really. Yeah, that is it really. Let's try it out. So if we put the same object, it should tell us that it's the same or not. Yeah. Attacker. Stronger. Why is it stronger? Oh, because I'm actually let me disconnect this and let me remove this log fire rate. And why did it log stranger? Why did it log stronger? Why did it log stronger? That's strange. Shouldn't be logging stronger. Is it because of this? Oh no. It still looks stronger. That is one of the strangest things I've seen, but okay. Okay, so there's actually one annoying log here that I need to get rid of. Log. There's another log that is open. It's when we touch. Okay, oh, I know why. Yeah, it's in my attacker actually. In the undamaged with there's a log. Yeah, it's a log. There is a log that is disturbing us. Okay, so now back to the business. If we should put it on the same object, then it should tell us if it's the same or not. So attacker, we aren't getting anything. So attacker and attacker. So it is not, we're not getting any feedback. Okay, so let's have a look and see why. Okay. Touched. Okay. And this is all happens if the mana is this. Okay. And all this happens if we have mana or not. I think that's right. Yeah, that's right. If we have mana or not. And I actually think I am missing a curly bracket or something. Yeah, I think I'm missing a curly bracket. If I should remove this place that I had it. We have three actually. Three. And we have 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So do it back. And we have 2. We have 3 still. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2. This one is 1, 2, like 1. Okay. So there's something fishy here. There's something fishy. So this code right here is the one I just wrote now. The one that has 2. Yeah, this is everything done. I would cut it out and see where I'm supposed to remove the quality. So we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, and after this 3, before we have the remove touch, that's when we want to spawn this. Okay, good, perfect. And now, okay, ray is not defined. Good. So now it's actually touching it. So ray, I would say ray is this. I would say ray is this. You can actually just I just declare again. Why not? Instead of declaring ray again, I could just put it outside. Hey, Dawn of Terror, what's up? How you doing? Long time. Long time. How you doing? Do you still play DLT? Wow. Been ages. LTST not defined. Okay, let me just do it. Oh my god. I just messed up. Not bad, not bad. Just copy it again and take it back to where it once was. Oh, you done? Oh, I'm very, very good, man. I am now mostly busy making games, and yeah, I am more of a game dev now than a gamer. Actually, I do more game dev right now. Things change, you know. Okay, so everything works fine. Everything works fine. Just need to make sure that we declare this again, because why not? It needs the ray origin, so we give it the ray origin. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do upgrade ray actually. Upgrade point. If I do this way, would it give me an error? Yeah, cam is not defined. Cam is not defined. Okay. Okay. So I need to like define this cam again. I don't have my phone. What is that? Oh, cool. Oh, sorry, man. Nice to see you after a long time. Have a nice day. Have a nice day, man. Okay, so now our TST not defined. What's that? Because we are using the same rate. Ah, my god, my god, my god, my god, my god. Okay, 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 okay. So I am gonna do this. I am gonna do this. So I'm gonna do this again. This. Okay, so this again, and then the way. Okay. Oh, LTS. Oh, that's it. That is it. We don't. Oh my god. I didn't have to do that. That is why. So I could just. Yeah, leave it that same way, actually. Leave it the same way. But, upgrade objects. And I'll do upgrade objects. So, yeah, the first one. Yep. And then I can do upgrade array. And I'll change the array into upgrade array. And what else do I need to do? I need to change the cam, to upgrade cam. And with this one, I think we should have a working stuff. Reference upgrade array is not defined. Upgrade array. Let upgrade array up GRAD. Where is upgrade array not defined? Upgrade array dot bodies is not defined. It's upgrade bodies actually. Okay. when it says not same, I want it to log the names, and then we can know what items is actually touching. Okay. Actually, that is a bad idea. That is a bad idea. I should just what's this called? I should just remove this and remove this, and that should be fine. Yep, let's do this. Okay. Blueprint and tile. Blueprint 1 and tile 1. So tile and blueprint. Tile and blueprint. Tile and blueprint. So it's touching the tile. Our attacker has a kinematic and a boss collider around it. Not the same. Not the same. Not the same. Not the same. Okay. So what I can do is the item that I touched actually. This script should be able to run on its own even without this one, I think. I want to try that out. So remove this and play. Uh-oh. Press Ctrl Z just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna do something here. If it's not empty, that's the only way we want to do it. If it's not empty, then we want to spawn it. And if it's empty, check if it's not empty. If it's not empty, oh, should actually be check if it's not occupied, because this is occupied. If occupied, actually check if occupied. Check if occupied. Check if occupied. Good. So check if it's occupied, and I need to change this script in my displays and do check if occupied. Okay. So if not, so it should work now. Oh my god. Yep. I need to go to. I need to go to my tab and change this to check if not occupied. And now we should be fine. Yep. Okay, fine. So what I'm gonna do now is check if not occupied. If it's not occupied, then it is occupied, and then occupy. So if it's already occupied, to check the object on it. In order to do that, I would need to know the tower needs to know which object is on it. So the object actually does the job for us by detecting the tower, and then it calls this function in the tower. So what I could do is this. The tower should have a let object on tower. Object on TIAE. So I want the attacker to actually call a script on the tower and set it to that. So I am going to do on the tower, I will do void occupy, not occupy. I will do another one. I will do void get object set object tower. And then I can duplicate this and do it set object on tower. So for unoccupied, just set it up on the tower. So do object tower. Just to follow. So in the when the plant is being done, once the plant is touched, it sets the tower, set tower, and also when it set the tower, it will now do tower, set object of tower, this dot entity. It will get it and then set it. So the tower would have this object. So we would have another function return object on tower, and this should return object on tower. So if we drag it, if else, okay. So here we now want to check the name. So it is there. They will not check the name. Not do this. Else. Go to if. How? Okay. Dot name. It's equals to the asset name. So basically, I can cut this out. Play. And actually just do this. And I'll do that. Yeah, so when the stuff is called, it needs to sustain that this stuff is not undamaged. It's not yeah, undamaged. Okay, undamaged. This entity is not a function. This entity. Component. Selected object tile is not a function. Okay, and that issue we need to fix. I don't need a plant for now. Do I need a plant? No, I don't need a blueprint. So in the tile, we need to return object. Oh, okay. We don't need a function for this as well. Return object. Yeah, this way. I didn't set it. Yep. Yeah, this entity should be component. Okay. Asset is not defined. Asset is not defined. Else. Asset. What is the asset? Let asset. Okay. Oh, okay. Let asset equals to. Oh, okay. Asset is not defined. else. So I can actually declare the asset here. So to avoid declaring it twice, I'll declare the asset here, and you can check it twice. That's good. Okay, now same, not same, not same, same. Yeah, that works. That works. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I went out like I went boom with this. But it's pretty cool. I mean, what you can do. With just experimentations. Pretty nice. I mean, just a simple line of code added to it. If the object untitled name equals a certain name, then log same. And what we can do here is, if it's the same thing, we can just do the same thing here. We can, if it's the same thing, we will just decrease the mana by the mana cost, and then we would give it the upgrade, and we can check inside the upgrades to see if it's already upgraded. Okay, so that's pretty good. And what I can do here is have a bool in the attacker. Yeah, that bool will say upgraded. Undamaged, it would return it. So let me try something, right? If I pull this in and it get destroyed, see? Okay. That's very nice. So that makes a lot of sense. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. So for this to be able, for the tiles to be able to know which object is already on it, then everything will be success. Okay, guys, that'll be all for now. I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Whew.